Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to foreclose a Tata Capital personal loan online. If you currently have a personal loan and want to close it before the loan tenure ends, foreclosure can be a smart financial decision. Many lenders now allow borrowers to complete the foreclosure process online through their customer portals. To begin, open your browser and go to the official website of Tata Capital. Next, log in using your registered credentials. Inside the dashboard, find your personal loan account. Click on it to open the loan details page. Here you'll be able to see important information such as outstanding loan balance, EMI schedule, interest details, and payment history. This section also typically includes options for loan prepayment or foreclosure. Foreclosing a personal loan means repaying the entire outstanding loan amount before the end of the loan tenure. When you do this, the loan is closed completely, and you no longer need to make any future EMI payments. Some common benefits of foreclosing a personal loan include saving on future interest payments, becoming debt-free earlier, improving your financial flexibility. However, it's also important to note that lenders may apply foreclosure or prepayment charges depending on the loan terms. If you're using services from Tata Capital, these conditions are usually mentioned in your loan agreement or customer dashboard. Before proceeding with the payment, carefully review the amount displayed. When foreclosing a personal loan, lenders may charge a foreclosure fee. Typical components may include outstanding principal amount, interest accrued until the foreclosure date, foreclosure charges, usually a percentage of the outstanding balance, applicable taxes such as GST. Borrowers should always check their loan agreement or account dashboard for the exact amount before making the payment. Here is a quick step-by-step recap of the foreclosure process. 1. Visit the official website of Tata Capital. 2. Log into your customer account using your registered credentials. 3. Navigate to your personal loan account dashboard. 4. Select the foreclosure or prepayment option. 5. Review the total foreclosure amount displayed. 6. Proceed with the payment using the available payment methods. 7. After payment, download your loan closure confirmation and knock. Closing a loan early can help you save on interest and become debt-free faster, but it's always important to review the foreclosure charges and total amount before making the final payment. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.